All right, let's go through the steps to getting started on the GraphLock app. So first, I'm going to click Use Calculator, and then from here, just click anywhere to remove the menu there. Now you can see the matrix calculator right here. So first thing, what we're going to do in this video is go over how do you set up your matrix, store it, and then what do you do to actually then use it and evaluate it. In another video, we'll actually go through some sample problems. So first what we need to do is select which matrix we would like to store and create. So I'll just select matrix 1. Then we determine the size. So notice here we have some commonly used sizes. Yes, we want to change it. So if we click any of these, you can change to any of these sizes, or notice you can always customize your size. So if I click custom down here, yes, I want to redefine it, and let's say we want to do a 3 by 2. Then you just click submit and it will redesign your matrix there. In this example, let's just go ahead and do a 2 by 2 matrix. So yes, I want to redefine it as a 2 by 2. Now I'm going to hit basic and I'm going to make sure to enter in each of my values. So simply just tap on each of those boxes and you can put in your values there. Now I'm going to tap back over to matrix and I'm going to click store. And now it told you that matrix M1 is stored. So I'm going to swipe over now to my second screen on my matrices, and now what I'm going to do is how do we actually go through the steps to evaluate? So in order to pull back this matrix, you must click evaluate first. Notice if I don't click evaluate and I hit M1, it's just going to pull right back the matrix we have stored. So that's just a way to see what do you have stored in M1. In order to actually evaluate it, I'm going to click evaluate. Now I can find the determinant or the different things. So let's say the determinant of M1, close out our parentheses, and hit enter. And there we now have the determinant of M1. So let's say we want to now enter in another matrix. I can swipe back over and let's say we're going to do M2 now. Well, notice it's saying, well, M2 is not defined. The reason it's telling me that is because we have our eval currently working. So I need to check off eval, and now that means I'm not evaluating things. I'm actually going to enter in some matrices. So let's say matrix 2, let's go a 3 by 2, go here to basic, and now I can once again enter in each of my values. Scroll back over to matrix, store M2 now. So you can see the difference. When eval is selected, that's when we can actually pull in these values to evaluate our matrices. When eval is not selected, notice that is when you can actually input your matrix values. So that's how you store, input, and use the matrix calculator on the GraphLock app.